What are the applications for injection molding? Injection molding is a manufacturing process that involves injecting a melted material, such as plastic, metal, or rubber, into a mold to produce a specific shape or product. This process is widely used in various industries and has a number of applications. Plastic injection molding. One of the main applications of injection molding is in the production of plastic products. Plastic injection molding is a common process for producing items such as automotive parts, electronic housings, toys, and household appliances. The process is well suited for producing large quantities of identical plastic parts with a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. Some of the most common applications for plastic injection molding include automotive industry. Injection molding is used to manufacture a wide range of automotive parts, including dashboards, door panels, bumper systems, and air intake manifolds. Medical industry. Injection molding is used to produce medical devices such as needles, syringes, and other disposable products. Consumer products. Injection molding is used to manufacture a wide range of consumer products, including toys, electronic housings, and packaging materials. Construction industry. Injection molding is used to produce building materials such as window frames, door frames, and roof tiles. Aerospace industry. Injection molding is used to manufacture a variety of aerospace parts, including aircraft structural components and engine components. Food and beverage industry. Injection molding is used to produce containers for food and beverages, such as bottles, cups, and containers for packaging. Military and defense industry. Injection molding is used to produce a variety of military and defense-related products, including helmets, visors, body armor, and protective gear. Metal injection molding. Injection molding is also used in the production of metal products. Metal injection molding, MIM, is a process that involves injecting metal powders into a mold cavity to produce parts or products. MIM is well suited for producing small, complex parts with a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. It is commonly used in the production of medical implants, aerospace components, and automotive parts. Composite injection molding. Injection molding is also used in the production of composite materials. Composite injection molding involves injecting a mixture of reinforcing fibers and a matrix material into a mold cavity to produce parts or products. The process is well suited for producing strong, lightweight parts with a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. It is commonly used in the production of sporting goods, automotive parts, and aerospace components. Ceramic injection molding. Ceramic injection molding, CIM, is a manufacturing process that involves injecting a slurry of ceramic particles mixed with a binder material into a mold to produce a specific shape or product. This process is similar to traditional injection molding, but uses ceramic materials instead of plastic, metal, or rubber. Ceramic injection molding is often used to produce small, complex, and precise parts with tight tolerances. It is also used to produce parts that require high strength, wear resistance, and electrical insulation properties. Some common applications for ceramic injection molded parts include: aerospace is used to manufacture a variety of aerospace parts, including engine components and structural components. Medical is used to produce a range of medical products, such as surgical instruments and implantable devices. Electronics is used to manufacture a variety of electronic components, such as insulators and connectors. Automotive is used to produce a range of automotive parts, including brake calipers and spark plugs. Injection molding has a number of advantages over other manufacturing processes. It is fast, efficient, and allows for the production of complex and precise parts. Injection molding is also relatively inexpensive and can be used to produce large quantities of the same product. Additionally, injection molding allows for the use of a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, and rubber, making it a versatile manufacturing process. Conclusion overall. Injection molding is an important manufacturing process that is used in a variety of industries to produce a wide range of products. It is fast, efficient, and cost effective, and allows for the production of complex and precise parts in large quantities.